met you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta. New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot and you know this.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Shutdown nga LDR, lockdown relationships.
Hi guys, we're using the mic today. Okay. I look a mess right now. Let me do a shower and we'll talk like normal people. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And today's video is quite interesting to me. I don't know. I get to show my animals. Yeah, I have a bit, I want to say a bit of everything really, but you know, that won't be the truth. But yeah, we have a lot of animals here in the farm. Okay, a lot is a misconception. We have, I don't know, we have some animals in the farm and I want to show them off. But I look a mess, and when I look a mess, I feel a mess. And I don't know, maybe it's this weather or something, but I'm so tired. I've been studying the whole morning, and now it's like almost 5. But I promised myself that I'll post at least once, twice, 3 times a week, because clearly posting every day is not gonna work. Yeah, so let me go shower. I'm coming. Hi, I am back, and yeah, it's a bit cold outside, so I'm gonna have to wear a jersey. I'm good to go. Don't judge me for this bonnet, okay? I'm coming straight to bed after this tour. Let's go. It's a beautiful day outside, so let's go. Okay, like I said, it's a bit cold, so now it is jersey, and we are good to go. What are you guys doing? Kind of. Cooking lentils. Yep. See now. Writing is better. How are you guys doing?
I'm bad. I'm doing bad.
Are these from yesterday?
I'm not happy.
No. Oh. I'm about to show my subscribers, my friends, my family, our animals. Which animals do you guys are you guys more excited for? Powerpuff Girls. You wanna tell them what the Powerpuff Girls are, or I just show them?
Nah, they must just guess. They must guess it.
Okay, guess it, guys. Guess who the Powerpuff Girls are. Which ones are you more excited about?
I don't know. Wait, I can't say the chicks because I don't. I
Which
don't
ones?
know. Okay, the doggies.
What about Raven? Are you guys not excited for Raven?
I'm excited because she's my baby girl. You know what I'm saying?
That's my baby. Do not talk about my child like that. Okay, bye bye.
I said that Raven is my baby, not yours. Like, okay, wait. Who ran more than like 10 kilos?
Was he really there when we got Raven? You wanna come with me so that we can explain where we got each animal?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys, I have Limo with me. Guys, we are outside and it's raining, literally. It's raining, and let's go. Then where are we going first?
To show my outfit.
Dude, nobody cares. Nobody cares about your outfit.
My friends are watching these vlogs, bro.
Okay.
It matters.
And where are we going first? Hello. Hi, potato. Okay, this is the first. Hi, potato. I'm showing you guys my babies. I got these ones since they were day old. Those who watched my previous vlog, they know it's chickens. I bought these at day old, and now they're like a week and a half. I don't know. I'll confirm. I'm not sure how old they are yet. Oh my god, the bag is crazy. Oh my god, you love Mr. McKay. And this is a Chiba. The temperature is currently at 24.9 degrees. Residents, y'all. They're so grown. I'll show you guys how they looked when they first got here. But they're so grown. Look at them walking around. So pretty. I love them so much. And yeah, these are my broiler chickens. There is, I think, over 70 of them now. I lost most of them to the rain, y'all. Okay, I'm not gonna mention that part. Okay, so there's 101 chickens in this room, y'all. The apparently, this loss of feathers, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's called molting. They are getting rid of their the baby feathers, and they should grow new feathers in a week or so. So this is how they look right now. And
This one thing, the feathers are all
yes, you see,
all green.
yes,
Hello, Chiki.
I am so happy for them to. So dirty. Oh my god, you dirty girl.
Okay, sorry.
I'm so excited for them to like get all grown and stuff.
Once they are grown, they die.
No, no. I wanna be very ready. And I need to come refill the water. We are using these bulbs. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's like heat bulbs to maintain the temperature in the poultry. And I am loving it, y'all. These chicks are a headache to take care of because they're very sensitive. So you have to like, be very careful with them, how you handle them and whatnot. So they're quite a headache, but I love them. I love them so much. I love them so much. And this is our third batch, by the way. This is our third batch that we are growing. Yeah. Look at them, they're so pretty.
We listen and we don't charge.
It's a beautiful weather.
I would rather show you.
What? I will show there as well. I come to on to the second animal, yo. This one is my fave, honestly. I love this cow so much. I just said it's a cow. Okay, that was supposed to be and it was supposed to be a surprise, but already I ruined the surprise. So we are on to another animal, and this one, like I said, is my fave. It's a cattle. It's a cattle. It's so pretty. Is it a she or a she?
It's a she.
Oh, it's a she. No, it's a he. He is so photogenic. You'll see that. See what I'm talking about in a minute. Pretty boy. Hello. Hi. He's so sassy. Like, what the hell? Hello. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy.
Why don't you?
They're like, leave me alone, dude. Why are you calling me pretty boy? I'm a handsome guy. Yes, I just... I'm a handsome boy. He's so cutie. He's my cute little potato.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, girl. How you doing? Girlfriend, you smell like beef. Pause. I'm a big boy. Why you trying to rub it on my belly?
He's like invasion of privacy. Okay, hi.
Why does your camera smell like this?
I told you guys this is so funny. Yeah. What was that? Oh my god.
Excuse boo boo.
Is that normal, yo? I'm scared now. Look at him. I love him so much. You cannot tell me this is not the prettiest cow you've ever seen. Like, what the hell? So cutie. Hello. This right here is
brown, like fully brown.
this right here is avocado. Yep, I'm the one who named it. And don't judge the name, okay? I love the name. But this is avocado. And I think he doesn't want to be bothered anymore. So we're going to leave him be. And on to the third animal. Ah. I am struggling, yo. The hell? Okay, this is my fit. Farm girl fit. I know it's cold, but I'm not scared of a simple rain, yo. I love this weather. I don't know. I'm not like the coziest person. I don't like, being too warm. So this is warm enough for me. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, pause. Okay, I'm busy. Okay, let's show the view. Okay. Good like that. Wait. Over here. Wait. And this right here is my baby boy Gucci. Hi Gucci. Hi Gucci. It's so wet. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. My dogs, honestly, you're gonna be seeing a lot of them in the video, so I don't see the need to. No, I will introduce them one by one though. The first one was Potato, then we have Snickles. Not Snickles, I'll cut that part. We have Potato, then the second one is Sleepy. Ah. And the third one is Gucci. Yes. Let's go. I have a problem. Huh? The frogs. Yeah. You should show them. No, I don't know how to unless you pick one out. You do a lot. But then yeah. And yeah, we have a lot of frogs as well here. We have like a pond full of frogs. But because of this thing, this plant, which is very cute, I love it. But it's hiding all the baby frogs. Can you see one? No. But guys, there's a lot of frogs here. Yeah, there is. But I can't see any right now. I don't know if it's because of the rain. Guys, no, that's weird. But this is also a problem. It had teeth. It's not a problem. Frogs are cute. Yeah. So we have a lot of frogs in that pond, but I don't know. I don't know what happened. I don't know why we can't see them anymore. But huh? They are shy. They are shy, I guess. Yes. So we are on to my okay. I want to say my personal favorite part, but honestly, I love all of them, and I want to choose because they're all my babies. But we are on to my favorite part. Yeah. So this side we'll be seeing the Powerpuff Girls, which Nelly was talking about in the beginning of the video. It's it's butternut that Limo planted.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, we have butternut this side too. But this is not a vegetable video.
Oh.
You naughty child. Okay, so we are on to my favorite part. In the different place. Hi. The last time I saw them, which was like an hour ago, they were not here. So that's weird. That's crazy. These are the Powerpuff Girls. Ready? The new chicken.
Layer mesh.
No, I said it for that time.
Layer mesh. It
Yeah.
was in the car. They have to take layer mesh. Let me touch him.
Let me get it open. Oh, hi. These are what are the names?
The boy is Tommy.
Tony is the boy. I don't know which one is the boy, guys. Don't judge me.
Doesn't it have big yeah. Like that. Ooh. Okay, I'm done. You done?
No, you can go. You say. This little girl wants to get out. And then this side. Oh, how do I open this one? Have Raven. Oh, she's a bit shy. She's literally hiding, yo. She doesn't want to get out. I don't know if it's the rain or not, but she doesn't look like she wants to come out. Let me try to get her out. Raven out. But I got this little Miss Cutie little potato right here. He got out. I mean, she got out. And she is usually very, energetic. I don't know. Maybe it's because I didn't bring some snack. But yeah, she's usually very energetic. She always has something to say. Yeah, she is so adorable. I love her so much. And I'm sorry, guys. I can't show you guys Raven. So sorry, I can't show you guys Raven because my girl is a bit shy. I don't know, and I don't like bothering her. Like she's very calm. She is.
I didn't want to step on your food. Child, what happened to you? I don't want to touch your bottom, but I have to, I guess. Ooh!
I think that was Robin.
That's not Robin.
That's why I'm asking. What did I think it was? How did you fall? Crazy, crazy.
What's my little auntie gonna do? I've never seen that in million times.
Hi, baby girl. Are you kidding me? She's throwing a tantrum.
Muffy, put the food in front of her face. Then she'll start. See?
Hi, baby girl.
Look who's sitting on her.
Don't walk away from me, you young lady.
I feel like kiddos have to have back problems and muscle problems. Guys, don't be shy. Mama doesn't bite. Ah, don't worry. Chon. Coughing. Hey. Ejo, come closer, boy. Boy, come. Good. Good.
Son is going for my food, look.
Hi.
Let's go. Well, you have to put on the water. You know, hello. Hi, newbies. Hello. Hi, newbies. Come eat your food. Midnight. Go away. Yeah, these two are also very scared of me. I don't know why, because then this side we have chickens, but oh, there we go. Let's see if we got eggs. These ones are not as calm as as my baby chickens that I showed you in the beginning of this video. But yeah, and no, guys, you also have this huge cactus. Like, have you ever seen a cactus grow that large? Like, are you kidding me? Look at that. It's so massive. It's so big. But yeah, guys, so I think that's all I have in this video right now. Yeah, in my head, it sounded like a lot of animals. I don't know. I like to think I have a lot of animals, but clearly I am so mistaken. So, but that was all of them. You guys, there's Gucci at the back. He is always following me around. I'm surprised that hi my baby. Hello. Hello. You look so weird when you're so wet. Yeah guys, so I think that's the rest of my animals. But do let me know what you guys want me to show you guys on the next video. Yeah, like this is the life in the farms, y'all. Literally my neighbor's like a kilometer away. Oh, or two, I don't know. From the tour and Nali is cooking. What are you watching? Blackish. Blackish. So how many episodes have you watched so far of Blackish?
20.
Have you decided whether or not you like Blackish better than Mixish?
I haven't decided yet.
Really? Are you kidding me? Is Rainbow still your favorite character?
Yeah, but she's not my only favorite character.
No, I mean like your top favorite.
No.
On Mixish, is Rainbow your only favorite character?
No.
Who else?
I forgot her name. Rainbow's best friend.
Okay. Then on Blackish?
Uh, I forgot the older sister's name, but that girl.
Really?
Yeah.
The older sister is not your
And
favorite.
Diane.
Diane is the OG of Blackish, yo. Like I love her so much. Okay, girl. This is the end of my vlog. What do you have to say for my subscribers? For the fam?
What should I say?
I don't know. Go.
Say something about what?
What do you have to say to them? Do you want them to come back and watch the vlog? What do you want to say? She is so
subscribe.
focused.
Subscribe, name. Like, why are you doing that? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Guys, y'all should like click your notification bells so that like you get notified every time she posts a video. So yeah.
Can you guys tell me how many times Nelly said like? Bye. That is the end of my vlog, y'all. I hope you guys are proud because literally this is the first time I've ever done that much talking in a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you comment, I wish and pray that you guys comment on my vlogs. I swear to God, I've been commenting on my own vlogs these days. Comment and subscribe and love you guys so much. and tell me what you guys want me to post next, because this video, I actually took it, well, I took the idea of the video from one of you guys. Somebody commented on one of my short videos and said, "Oh, you should make um a video, an animal tour." And I took it, guys. Give me those advices. I'm new to this thing. I don't know what to post. Like, honestly, tell me, help the girl out. Please subscribe, comment, like, ring that notification bell, and I hope you guys loved this video. If you watched till the end, tell me which part is your favorite. My personal favorite one was me trying to show up all the frogs that we have in this farm, and I couldn't because they decided they're shy today. Tell me which one is your favorite. I love you guys so much. See you next time. Hopefully you guys tell me what you guys want me to post, because I am out of ideas, honestly. I feel like I don't know. I don't know what to post. I don't want to bore you guys. Like, we are now at a thousand and something subscribers. I should be doing better. I should be giving you guys quality content. But I can't do that without your help. I'm new to this thing. So please, I'm begging you, give me something. Give me something. Tell me what you guys want to see on these vlogs. And I'll do it. I swear to God I will. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I love you so much. I feel like I said bye so many times already, but see you guys next time. Bye. I just watched this whole vlog and I am so embarrassed by Takealot mics. This is why you should review the thing before using it, because I didn't do it. I didn't check it out. Well, I did, but it wasn't as bad as now. It wasn't as bad as it is now. So I would like to apologize for the quality of the sound in this video. Oh my word, I'm so embarrassed, but I'm sorry, y'all.